Okay, I think it's in focus. If it's blurry, I'm really sorry because it's blurry in my vision, but whatever. Look at my hair. It took me an hour to do, and my makeup was actually really quick. If you want to see like more quick, fast form content, I upload on TikTok quite often. It's at Star Disease if you would like to keep up with me. Today I'm gonna bake because I have some leftover frosting from our corgis, okay, the family corgis birthday. I made her, I'll insert a photo here. I made her it's not dog friendly, but she really loves sweets, and we only do it once. We don't give it to her often, but she loves frosting. I cut it down with some Greek yogurt, so it was still sweet, but it was more Greek yogurt than it was frosting. Anyways, I had leftover frosting that I really need to use today, so I'm gonna make this brownie berry type thing and drizzle the frosting on top. I'm preheating my oven to 350. Oopsie. I'm kind of gonna wing this recipe, so we'll see if it comes out. Okay. Here's the frosting left over. It's not much. I'm just gonna make like a little tray. Well, I'll save that till the end because that's going on. And a little bit of butter. Like half a stick, a little bit more than half a stick. I'll just use it. I do have to clean up a little bit. These are, oh, am I okay? Okay, these are, I'm putting away some apples. These are the dog's apples. If you've seen my video, you know my dogs eat green apples for breakfast. So I'm gonna melt some butter in here. Got it right before it started popping. So like I said, it's gonna be like a brownie type thing. Good thing I brought more chocolate chips because there's nothing. I'm measuring with my heart here. This is just butter and chocolate chips. I'm hoping it melts down. If not, I'm sticking it back in the microwave far away. I could literally probably just eat this. I don't care. That's just this. I love chocolate. My goodness. When I'm in a mood, not a mood, but like when my mental is not right, I freak out for like the smallest things, really. And I would be like, I can never eat this. If you know, you know. But in reality, it's like two sides of a coin. It's like, who cares? And then it's like, I care too much. But in reality, in the end, it does not matter, I promise. Did you guys miss me? I don't think I was gone that long, was I? I hope you can hear me and it's not too far. We just bought new washer and dryers off Facebook, thankfully, because ours is busted. So I'm excited about that. I have to make sure the dogs are inside because we're opening the gates, and then clearly we don't want the dogs to go outside. I'm gonna add olive oil and vanilla in there too. I'm gonna do a little bit of flour, not much. But interesting how trends just like reappear, and that whole trend of like being like really thin is in again. So like I don't know what word to use, like strange to see. When I was in high school, everyone made fun of you for being thin, and like you had to be BBL-licious, you know? And I just think it's strange when body sizes are a trend. Like, how can that be trendy? I just remember feeling like insecure, not insecure, but like, okay, why is everyone calling me pancake ass? To, oh cool, people think my body is cool again. To, why is everyone making fun of my wrist? To like, oh cool, you know what I'm saying? And then as I got older, I felt more like stressed, I guess, to stay in my exact same body type, even though like I'm growing, I'm aging, and I know I'm not going to stay like this forever. And I do tend to get like in my head about it, and it's not a healthy place to be in. On top of like health, like actual health issues that I go through, I definitely would not consider myself like a role model for that type of stuff at all whatsoever, because I still have issues with it. I would love to be one day, but right now is not the time. And I'm definitely like not trying to be problematic whatsoever. Like, not encouraging any of that whatsoever. Think your own thoughts, please. That's what I encourage, is thinking your own thoughts, and don't be easily influenced. This is also the leftover berries. This is what I'm working with so far. Delicious berry milk mixture. Now I'm just gonna drizzle that on top. Ugh, it's hot. Okay, 25 minutes sounds good enough. Okay, I'll come back once it's done. I'm gonna clean up and charge my camera some more. But anyways, I'm in my room now. Excuse me. My lip combo of the day. Oh, that looks not good. I'm starting to get tired. Is Revlon Les Traced and REM Beauty in 7 rings. It's this beautiful lip plumper, glowy. It doesn't plump for long, to be honest, and be so real with you, but yeah. Okay, I'll catch up with you guys later. I almost forgot to finish the video. I'm not gonna lie, I started to get a little lazy. Out of the oven, and it looks beautiful. I let it cool. I'm going to add the frosting. This is the frosting that I had left over, and then I'm just gonna add a little bit of Greek yogurt to make it more fluffy. It doesn't smell bad. I'm positive it's fine. I'm not measuring. I know I get tired quite often. I do really like making content because I think it's fun. Let me taste this before I add it all over my pastry. Yep, that's good. Here's my yogurt frosting on top of my creation. And I think I was gonna say my boyfriend. Eek, my husband's here and my battery's gonna die. If this video wasn't as chaotic as it is, I guess it wouldn't be considered a real video now, would it? And I guess I'll just do a little taste test since I'm here. This is what it looks like.
Taste
Okay, I'm gonna
test.
do a taste test. Can you?
Yeah.
Thanks. It's not bad. Do you want to try it, Vic? Hopefully he makes it in time. Hurry, wash your hands because my battery's gonna die. Hopefully he makes it.
Okay, let's see. Damn.
Battery life to spare.
Damn, that was good.
Yay! Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.